there's nothing like New Orleans culture. You know, I do miss the food, I miss the culture, I miss the vibe that New Orleans gives us, but we're able to bring that here. I thrive on being authentic with all of my cuisines, and we do bring you authentic New Orleans cuisines. I'm a native of New Orleans, Louisiana. August 29, 2005 changed my life forever. I came here as a result of Hurricane Katrina only because we found hotel rooms here. We didn't know anyone here in this city. But we decided to stay here, and it's been a blessing being here in this beautiful scenic city. Anytime you come on the truck, you're going to see myself, my husband, my sisters, my brothers, my children. It is a family affair. We've learned that from my parents, of course. I do a lot of the cooking, but my husband is the backbone. I would not be able to do what I do successfully without him. At this time, he is retired, and I'm grateful for that. So he's able to do a lot of the running, a lot of the maintenance on the truck, making sure that we have the product and inventory stocked. I love the idea of bringing people among the table over a bowl of gumbo or a plate of pasta or something, you know, that's authentic, something that they don't normally get. You know, it's not an everyday item. Gumbo, if food is supposed to bring you joy, it's supposed to bring you comfort, it's supposed to make you feel warm. And gumbo is the #1 dish that can make you feel that way. I don't measure anything. They're like, we need a measuring cup. I'm like, I don't know nothing about measurements. You just gotta watch me, a pinch of this, a little bit of that, a cup of this, a bowl of this, a prayer on this, and you make it work. Cooking is not my passion. I know how to cook and I can do it well, but it has never been my passion. And using my cooking, using this skill allows me to be able to get into doors and get into places that I normally would not be able to get into. And that opens the door for me to be able to do what I'm passionate about, which is helping others. When the customers come, we make sure that we have everything prepared, everything is warm, everything is, you know, up to standards according to the health department, and then we just serve. We cook to order. The fish is cooked to order. The gumbos and all of that is already warm and hot because you have to serve that hot. But as the customers come and place their orders, we're pushing them out the window as fast as possible. I see Nola Girls getting more than one truck, and I mean, I just got the truck in June, but it's so popular and it's so much. And so many things that you can do with the truck, and you know, and being in Chattanooga, you're centrally located to Nashville, to Atlanta, to in Alabama, so it's so much that you can do. So I see us adding a fleet.